Yeah, entice him.
Oh, Chip, it's a, get him, it's a monster.
Get it, Chip.
Get it and kill it. Kill it. He's a boxer. Good job, Chip. Get it again. Get it again. Da-da-da. I'm gonna bite it. I'm gonna bite it. I'm going to kill it. You will not infest my house. You creepy rodent. Snake-like. Monstrous. Green.
7.
I kill you. I kill you. I kill you. Let go. You will not hurt my boy child. Murray.
Too fast for him then.
Yeah, don't go too fast. It's no fun for him if you don't let him get him, but get it a little bit.
Yeah.
Get it. Tastes like chicken. It's a shell game, Chip. Bait and switch.
Chip. Hey, look at this. Can you see? Can you do?
Get sneaky snake.
Hey, no biting cats here allowed. Yeah.
Don't do that. I don't want him to break those glasses. You do it this side so I can see him. Come over this way so I can watch him. Not so fast. Come on, let me have it. Let me have it.
Dave, look.
Boing, 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 boing. So instead of a tricky worm, you have a cat toy. Chip's eyes were all big. I'll bite you.
Yeah.
Let him have it and see what he does. No, let go. Let him pick it up.
No.
Want some more?
Come on, Chip, bite. Eating corn on the cob.
What's it smell? It smells like it was made in China. Might have preservatives in it, Chip. You gotta let him get it a little bit. Not where the string is, though.
That's why I'm doing his tail.
It's funny. I must bite it. I must bite it. Ow, ow.